Let's see if we can model this headboard in Blender. It took me several days to figure this one out. I already have the headboard shape. First, we have to outline the diamond tufts with edges by poking the faces. Select these diamonds and isolate the edges to be beveled. Hold Ctrl plus Alt key to deselect by edge loops. After beveling, save the selection as a vertex group. We isolate the selection into 3 face sets. One for the border crease, another for the diamond crease, and the third for the tuft holes. The holes will grow big later after subdivision. And these crease lines will become thicker. Let's subdivide 4 times for the cloth filter. Let's make this thicker to allow space for those deep tuft holes. The face sets have grown due to the extra polygons caused by subdivision. We can shrink the face sets with the Ctrl plus Alt plus W keys. Use the box mask tool to mask out face sets at the back. I don't know how they got there. Use the cloth filter to pull and inflate the surface with each face set. Pulling to the left deflates the surface. Do short pulls to keep control of the deformation. Pulling to the right inflates the surface. I'm balancing the inflate and deflate actions just right. Until we get the desired creases and shape. Turn on Shade Smooth for a smoother cloth-like surface. This has been Miss Anderson showing you a Pixelsplasher secret technique. See you in the next tutorial.